Black Suits royalty, nigga.
Yeah.
MRWM. MRWM.
No face
MRWM. MRWM.
Get money, huh? Get money, huh? Get money, huh? Get money, yo. Put his hair on. And Federico. Good numbers. Everything fuego. On the bailout stack, but like Lego. In the kitchen, stepping up some yayo. Same clientele, I still shower Pedro. And I still put the game like a crack hole. Uptown, Harlem boys in camo. Black Puerto Rican Don Mafioso. So act right or get back to rehearsal. Or get that ass smoked like some purple. These solid niggas live in my circle. Get money high, get money yo. Get money high, get paid yo. Get money high, get money yo. Get money high, get paid yo.
Good with the popos, so my shit straight. Big money got me popping up in 6 states. Put the money on the table, then we split cake. We gorillas and we hungry, so don't get ate. Ain't no recession, fam, we never had a standstill. Becoming funny with my money, get your fam killed. The Illuminati trying to stop me, niggas can't chill. About to start popping at police just for a damn thrill. Semi-autos and revolvers and machine guns. Pussy nigga in my clique ain't never seen one. Get that A-class shit up at the fees come. Swear every day feel like a dream run. Rubbing shoulders with a dawn, then you truly blessed. But it's official, so you never know when you be next. Make candles all around, the jacuzzi wet. She like the way it all sound and get her coochie wet. But I'm never going down, I give her long strokes. Baby, just prepare your throat for them strong notes. I could do it just exactly how the song go. Tryna get a better ticket on that John boat.